I would have asked, even the PSC might bring us, if they are compliant with 5% of the people living, the national executive, the county governments, the parastatals, Senator Asige, take the bull by its own and demand, and it be tabled in the Senate, Madam Speaker, so that we can be aware whether we are meeting 5%, Madam Speaker. And I know you as a senior legal practitioner in this republic and the former Secretary General of the ruling party. You can also assist us because you are a lawyer. I expect lawyers, Madam Speaker, even to give pro bono. As even, I don't know where we can include in the law, Senator Crystal, to also request that we get pro bono legal services for PWDs. Madam Speaker, can you believe where I come from, Nandils? Many workers who pluck tea get injured by war, Madam Speaker. Their hands are cut off and they are only paid peanuts. When they are working in those tea estates in Nandi and across other tea estates, Madam Speaker, they don't imagine that they will be disabled. But because of how they, and I know you have handled such matters, especially in Employment and Labor Relations Court, and I'm happy in KICC that there is a symposium on employment. Senator Crystal, we have another small, another dangerous, silent people that is forcing people to be, especially our tea estates, because of pangas. People are losing their limbs, their fingers, their eyes, because, Madam Speaker, as they do that job, it is very unfortunate. So, Madam Speaker, I want to appeal that let us widen. This thing is not only unique, Madam Speaker, to only people who are born with, but we get along, Madam Speaker. And there is a crisis. I went to court, in the labor court. You get people who are working in tea farms. In many other farms, Madam Speaker, they have lost their limbs, their fingers, their hands. Madam Speaker, even another killer that is causing disability is the Bodaboda. We need to also, I am happy that the President a few months ago launched training for Bodabodas. And I'm happy a number of even my chairman of Bodaboda